everyone, I'm Melody Chen, and together with my children, Ruben and Megan, we are going to explore the sights and sounds of Singapore. There's so much to see for our little ones on this island, and we're going to start right here at the Art Science Museum at Marina Bay Sands. Together with us is Merle the Merlion, who loves helping people explore Singapore, and his curious and adventurous friend D65, also known as the unidentified flying durian. The Future World exhibition is one of the most popular exhibitions here at the Art Science Museum. Let's go! Wow, look at the butterflies! Look at the water! Yeah! The Art Science Museum opened in 2011 and demonstrates how art, science, culture and technology all come together. Don't forget, you can use your digital Singapore Rediscovers vouchers for a trip to the museum. Just remember to book your time slot in advance. This exhibition is great for the kids as it gives them an opportunity to try hopscotch, play with the giant balls at the Light Ball Orchestra, and even contribute a drawing at Sketchtown. You also can't miss this crystal universe where over 170,000 LED lights are used to create the illusion of stars moving in space. But there's more to see here at the Art Science Museum. There's always an exhibition happening here at the museum, so it's worth checking what's going on. Come on. Gardens by the Bay was designed to present plant life in a whole new way. From the famed Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest to the sky-high stroll on the Skyway to see the super trees. Gardens by the Bay also hosts various exhibitions that let you experience nature in a new light. I highly recommend checking out Dave Chihuly exhibition, Glass in Bloom, which is on right now. Now, if you miss traveling, you need to see Once Upon a Time on the Orient Express, which runs till 12th of September. Here, you can get on board 2 original train carriages and see a 158-year-old locomotive, all shipped from France along with 300 artifacts such as uniforms, original luggage, and priceless porcelain. You can even experience what it's like to dine in style on the train. You'll have to book your date and time slots for both these exhibitions in advance. All this can be done using your digital Singapore Rediscovers vouchers. Well, after all the excitement, it's time to slow things down a little bit, maybe enjoy the sights and sounds of Singapore on the water. I love these boats that recall our history as a busy seaport. Bumboats have been sailing the Singapore River for over a century. Today, they are environmentally friendly electric versions, but they are still painted with eyes on the front, which is meant to help them see danger ahead. This cruise is comfortable and fuss-free and a great way to get the kids to sit still while you enjoy Singapore from a different point of view. Taking the cruise in the early evening is the perfect time to enjoy Singapore at dusk. Thank you for joining us on our journey to explore the sights and sounds of Singapore. Merle and D65 did go on a similar adventure of their own, and you can check it out on YouTube to get inspired for your very own Singapore Rediscovers adventure. If you want to book a visit to any of the attractions that we've done today, you can do it using your digital Singapore Rediscovers vouchers through authorized booking agents.